Hey everyone! Today we are solving a calculus question on how to find the volume of a solid of revolution. Imagine taking this shaded region on your screen and spinning it around the x-axis. What kind of shape does it make? And how much space does it take up? Let's start. First, look at our shaded region. It's actually made of two different sections. The first section is from x equals 0 to x equals 5. The top boundary is the curve. Y equal 2 times the quantity, 1 plus 3x, all to the power of 1 over 2. The second section is from x equal 5 to x equal 8. The boundary is a straight line, AB, connecting point A, 5 and 8, to point B, 8 and 0. Because the shape of the graph changes at x equal 5, we have to split our solid into two different parts. We'll find the volume of each separately and then add them together. Let's solve the first part from 0 to 5. Since this is a curve, we use the disk method. The formula is volume equal pi times the integral from a to b of f of x squared dx. So, volume 1 is pi times the integral from 0 to 5 of the quantity, 2 times the quantity, 1 plus 3x, all to the power of 1 over 2, all squared dx. Let's simplify the function. So, 2 squared becomes 4, and squaring the quantity, 1 plus 3x, all to the power of 1 over 2 will simply be 1 plus 3x. To simplify our integral further, let's take the 4 out next to the pi. So our new integral is volume 1 equals 4 pi times the integral from 0 to 5 of 1 plus 3x dx. Now we integrate our terms. Term 1 will become x. Term 2, 3x will become 3x squared over 2. So our integral is 4 pi times the quantity, x plus 3x squared over 2, to be evaluated from 0 to 5. Since our lower limit is 0, then the answer will be definitely 0. In this case, let's concentrate on the upper limit. Our upper limit is 5, so when x equals 5, we get 4 pi times the quantity, 5 plus 3 times 5 squared over 2. This is equal to 170 pi. Now for the second part, from x equal 5 to x equal 8. We could find the equation of the line and integrate, but there's a much faster way. Look at that shape. It's a right triangle. When you rotate a triangle around an axis, you get a cone. The question even gives us a hint. Use volume equal 1 over 3 pi r squared h. Now, the radius r, see the height of point A, which is 8. And the height h is the distance on the x-axis from x equal 5 to x equal 8. This is equal to 3. So, volume 2 equals 1 over 3 times pi times 8 squared times 3. Therefore, volume 2 equals 64 pi. So much easier than integration, right? Final step. We just add our two volumes together. Volume 1, which is 170 pi, from the curve, plus volume 2, which is 64 pi from the cone. This gives us a total volume of 234 pi cubic units. And that's it. The key to these problems is recognizing when to use calculus and when to use simple geometry. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more math tutorials.